Hi, in this video we are going to continue the creation of the multi-page web application. This is a list of suggestions how we should use this video. The notes for this video can be found on this web page, which is this URL. Okay, so we want to build something that looks like this, and right now for some reason it's not listing my directory, so I'm going to go to my Internet Information Services just to double check the eg002. Make sure the directory browsing is enabled. Okay, so I'm going to enable it. Alright, so now I can see this, so it's easier for me to debug. Alright, so the next thing I want to do is to go into my Visual Studio. I've already have a website. I'm going to add a I'm going to right click on that, right click on this, and I'm going to add a new item, which is I'm going to do a C# web form, so it will give me a couple of default stuff that I can use. And this is my first page. And I'm going to save this file as this guy as order.aspx. Okay, so I have order.aspx, but it's not very good because the CS file is still the same. So I'm going to open up the default.aspx and I'm going to save this file as order.aspx.cs, and then I have to link them up by changing the code here. Control S to save, and now they are being linked. Okay, now I can get rid of the default. Okay, and I want to make order my first page. I can just go over there and say set as start page. So this helps when you try to do a preview from the Express, okay, Visual Studio Express. It doesn't really help when you try to do it here. For some reason, I still have to click on order to see what's going to happen. Okay. All right. So the next thing I want to do is to code this page as what is shown here. So you can actually look at the whole code here and try to understand and copy and paste. Okay. So the order can be found here. Order aspx.cs can be found here. So you can actually look at what exactly it does. Okay. But I'm going to do it by copying some of the code and then doing some of it in Visual Studio, so you know how the process is like. Okay, let me go back to Visual Studio. I want to quickly change the title, so I'm going to copy and paste from the code, so it won't take forever. I mean, this video won't take forever. So, and then I'm going to link, so I'm going to give a title and then link this to the style sheet file that we have it over here. Okay, and I'm going to create a content. Okay, and that ID has been already defined in the style.css file, and then I'm going to copy my form inside here, and I'm going to delete this. I don't really need this. Okay, and let's see, I also need a heading. And let me come over here and reload. Alright, so you have a Kung Fu Panda shop to work with. Okay, so the next step is to create a connection string from the data. Okay, we are going to create something called SQL data source, and that I think this is a good place to start for this video. So in the next video, we're going to start from here, use the SQL data source to pull data from the database. Thanks for watching.